Hey guys, welcome back to my channel on hashtag Series Life. Today I have come with the most special video because this is going to be a very helpful one. Especially this video is for those who really want to do something special for their loved ones. That could be anyone, their parents, cousins, or their friends or their partner. It tends to happen that we do not know what to do anything special for someone, but we really want to make them feel special and do something for them. So here I am, Suru, helping you out and have brought 7 surprise ideas that can make anyone's day special. So let's get into the video. So the first one is the Pinch Town. You would have heard the name of this place, and if you haven't, so you are gonna be amazed by the setup that they offer. So they are in 5 locations right now: Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai. If you are in one of those locations, you can easily access all their beautiful places that they offer. So basically इसमें होता क्या है, प्राइवेट थिएटर दे ऑफर और साथ में डेकोरेशन होती है, डिफरेंट थीम्स होती है डेकोरेशन की, पर वो डिपेंड करता है आप किस लोकेशन पे सर्च कर रहे हो. और इसके प्राइसेस जो वेरी करते हैं मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. इट विल ओनली कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 1700 to 2700 समथिंग. और वो भी डिपेंड करता है कि आप कौन से टाइम स्लॉट्स लेते हो, क्योंकि दे ऑफर 2 टाइमिंग्स. एक होती है 3 आवर्स की, दूसरी होती है 1.5 आवर्स की. डिफरेंट एड ऑन्स आर ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन दिस. आप फॉग एंट्री कराना चाहो, कैंडल लाइट लगवाना चाहो, मतलब पूरे कैंडल्स के साथ एंट्री, रोज पेटल्स, एवरीथिंग, तो उनकी प्रॉपर थीम भी होती है, बर्थडे थीम, एनिवर्सरी थीम, तो आप चेकआउट कर सकते. बट वैसे ही वो जो सेटअप देते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही ब्यूटीफुल होता है. सो इतनी नीड होती नहीं है और कुछ एड ऑन करने की. साथ ही केक भी आप चूज़ कर सकते हो कौन सा केक आपको रखवाना है. मेन्यू का भी ऑप्शन होता है, सो यू कैन ऑर्डर वट एवर यू वॉन्ट, एंड इट इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग बिकॉज यू विल गेट योर प्राइवेट स्पेस, एंड इफ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर स्पेशल वन, so it is the best place, and you can spend the beautiful moment with them and could rewatch the movie that you really love. Also जो इसका रिजर्व करने का प्राइस होता है, इट्स ओनली 750. बाकी का अमाउंट जो होता है आप डायरेक्ट जाके पे कर सकते हो आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग a beautiful time. I'm gonna link the website in my description so you can check that out. Now comes to the part where you want to give something special to your loved one and don't know what to give. So customized gifts are never outdated. So I'm gonna share a second surprise idea, which is of Vista Print. Yes, it is the site Vista Print where you can customize your some of the objects like pen, mug, tumbler, wallet, and many other things that they offer. You can check that out, and it will range you around 200 to 1000 rupees, and will really make your loved one feel special. Because I personally feel so good whenever I see my name on something that belongs to me, or any word that resonates with me. Not specifically that you have to enter that person's name, but in spite जो भी चीज़ उनसे related है, whatever the word that they resonate a lot with, you can easily customize that word. I'm also gonna put the link in the description box of Vista Print so you can check that out. And apart from those objects that I mentioned, they have a lot more to offer, so you can check that out. So the third surprise idea is Pine and Lime. Yes, it is also the site that offers 3 customized photos. Also they have other things to offer, but 3 photos in which individually in each photo you can write customized message, but make sure to choose the photo that really holds a great memory with it. Why is it special? You would say that you have all the photos on the phone, but we know that we do not watch those photos, right? So it will be special because it will be 3 photos, very beautiful, and it will be written, customized message. I will also pin that down here so you can get the idea what I'm talking about. These 3 photos you can get in 170 rupees, which is a great deal again, and also very budget friendly. Along with that, you can also get frame, maps, and other things that they offer, framed photo and whatnot. Also, they offer hampers which will cost you around 1600 to 2000 rupees. I'm also gonna put the link of Pine and Lime in my description box so you can check this one as well out. Now the fourth surprise idea is Treasure Hunt. You would have heard of this game. इसमें आपको क्या करना होता है, कोई भी प्लेस पे आप अपना गिफ्ट छुपा रहे हो, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको एक चिट बनानी है छोटी सी, और एक हिंट देना है कि वो गिफ्ट कहाँ हो सकता है. मेक श्योर इस गेम में आप 5 to 6 गिफ्ट्स रखो, और लास्ट गिफ्ट जो हो आपका सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेशल हो और थोड़ा बड़ा हो. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. लास्ट गिफ्ट कुड बी एनीथिंग लाइक क्लोथिंग आइटम, शूज़, और एनी सन ग्लासेस दैट पर्सन वॉन्ट्स, रियली वॉन्टेड. और इसमें आप सोचोगे गिफ्ट्स में आप क्या रख सकते हो. इन गिफ्ट्स में आप बहुत छोटी छोटी और मीनिंगफुल चीज़ें रख सकते हो. इट कैन बी क्लेचर, ईयरिंग्स, नेक पीस, क्लोथिंग आइटम, जैकेट, शूज़, सन ग्लासेस, स्किन केयर, परफ्यूम. दीज आर द ऑप्शन दैट यू हैव. और मेक श्योर करना कि ये जो गिफ्ट्स हों छोटे हों बट स्पेशल हों. एंड एज आई सेड, लास्ट वन सबसे अच्छा होना चाहिए बिकॉज इंसान की एक्सपेक्टेशन एंड तक बढ़ती रहती है कि what is going to happen, so it can make anyone's day so much special and you can play this in office as well. बस आपको एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है, थोड़ी सी मेहनत यहाँ पे आपको अपनी करनी है। जिस जगह पे आप रख रहे हो गिफ्ट को, छुपा रहे हो, उसके रिगार्डिंग आपको एक हिंट छोटा सा देना है। मेक श्योर करना कि वो छोटी सी जो स्टिकी नोट्स टाइप आते हैं उस पर आप ये लिखे रहो, सो इट विल बी so good and memorable. And I have tried that also myself out. That's why I'm suggesting it. Now comes the fifth surprise idea. Make sure to get that person a bouquet. Bouquet भी नहीं तो आप फ्लावर दे सकते हो according to your budget. But एक bouquet आपको देना है. Along with that you have to give a chocolate. आपके बजट के अकॉर्डिंग आप वो चॉकलेट ले सकते हो. इट कैन बी स्मॉल वन एज वेल एंड बिग वन. इट विल मेक नो डिफरेंस बिकॉज the gesture what matters. Along with that, आपको रखना है एक handwritten letter. Now you will say why handwritten letter? Because handwritten letter will always leave a beautiful memory with them. Getting a handwritten letter is special for everyone. I'm gonna specify that it is not a girly thing because boys also love to receive letters and they make sure to keep it with them always. Please do not customize this letter or type it down. Make sure to handwritten it because it will enhance the value of the letter. So ये 3 चीज़ें आपको करनी है and make sure to get these 3 things in the morning. And whenever you meet that person, so the first thing that you have to do is this, and it will really start to make them feel very special. Now you will think that if you want to do something for the whole day, what you can do, because these are the things that I mentioned that could be done in like 1 to 2 hours or something. But what will you do on the whole day? So I have come up with the 6th surprise idea, which is of adventure activities you can go. First one is you can go gaming zone and अगर आपने अभी तक gaming zone का भी experience नहीं किया है, so you must go there. If you are planning this for your loved one, so you are really gonna enjoy it. Not a loved one only, if you are planning this with your friends or for your friends, still you are gonna have a lot of fun. क्योंकि हम वो बचपन वाली चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं हम भूल गए हैं since we have started growing up. तो वो चीज़ आपको वो childhood memory दोबारा वापस आएगी and you will have a lot of fun while playing the game over there. बाकी उसकी प्राइस रेंज जो होती है वो डिपेंड करती है कि आपको कौन से सेक्शन पे प्ले करना है. बट एक ओवरऑल अगर मैं आपको आइडिया दूँ, so it will cost you around 2000 to 3000. Second, you can go water park. And if I talk about Delhi, so there is a place, Atlantic Waterland. You can go there and the ticket of there is of 650 if you book an early bird offer. बस वो आपको midnight में online booking करनी होती है and it will cost you 650 per person. So 2 persons के लिए it will cost you around 1300 something. अगर आप same ticket वहाँ जाके purchase करते हो, it will cost you 1250 per person. So early bird offer is a must do if you are planning to go water park. Atlantic Water World has everything that will make your day amazing. Third, आप जा सकते हो trampoline park, which will cost you around 800 to 1000. Still bring back the memories of childhood. Fourth, you can go to Snow World that can offer you snowy vibes and available in most of the malls like DLF and all, and it will cost you around 1200 to 1500 per person. Fifth, आप experience कर सकते हो escape room. Escape room में क्या होगा, 60 minutes के लिए you will be locked और different themes होती हैं, उसके according price range रहती है. आप 60 minutes के लिए locked करके जाओगे एक room में. छोटे hints वहाँ पे आपको दिए होंगे, उससे ही आपको खुद unlock करना है, निकलना है उस जगह से बाहर within 60 minutes. तो ये एक फन एडवेंचर एक्टिविटी टाइप की होती है और इट विल बी मोर फन इफ यू आर मोर देन 2 people, सो यू मस्ट विजिट देयर एंड इट विल कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 700 to 1000 per person. Seventh surprise idea is for whom you are planning all this. Make sure to have a watch on that person what they really want in reality. क्योंकि ऐसा होता है हम बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी होते हैं और चीज़ों पे फोकस करते हैं which we really want, we do not purchase, and whenever we get it as a gift we really feel touched. So this can be anything, handbag, laptop bag, any book that person wants to read, you can get them a paper bag. It can be eyeshadow palette, it can be any earring that they want, it can be any dress, any sunglasses, any shoes that they really want but they are not getting it for themselves. It can be any phone case or anything little. So make sure to have a watch on that person and make sure to get them a gift, at least one gift that is very meaningful, because it can add the huge value to the whole surprise. These were the 7 surprise ideas that I have to offer. Make sure to try it out and it really works because I have experienced all this by myself. So whatever site I have mentioned, I'm saying this again that it is pinned down in my description box so you can check that out. If this video really helped you, so make sure to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye. We'll meet soon with the next video. मुझे इतनी गर्मी लगती है यार.